Of all the things in your house to keep clean, we're guessing your mattress hasn't made the list, but you should be periodically deep cleaning the place you spend nearly 1/3 of your entire life. When was the last time you gave it a good, deep clean? Do you know? The mattresses you are using every single day are the perfect environment for the accumulation of dirt and bacteria. Cleaning the lines just won't do the cleaning for you, as the dust, dirt, sweat and other body fluids pass through the sheets and end up in the mattress. Believe it or not, all you need to clean the mattress is some baking soda, as it is extremely successful in destroying bacteria. Baking soda is a simple but versatile cleaning agent that can remove odors on furniture effectively. Sprinkling just a bit of baking soda on your bed can reduce any smells and keep it clean and refreshing. Along with refreshing your bed, this easy cleaning DIY also ensures a better night's sleep. There's no need for harsh chemicals or expensive concoctions. All you need is a box of baking soda, and, if you're feeling fancy, an essential oil. To clean your mattress, what you'll need to clean your mattress: 1. 16-ounce box baking soda. 2. Essential oil. 3. Vacuum cleaner. Before beginning, flip or rotate the bed, which is smart to do every 6 months to extend mattress life and prevent sagging. While you're working on your mattress, remove the bed sheets and wash them in the washing machine. Start by stripping the bed of any sheets, blankets, or duvets. Put the bedding in the washing machine and clean them with detergent on the hottest water setting to kill germs. You should then dry them on the high heat setting to ensure there are no germs or bacteria on them. 2. Vacuum up any dirt, dust, or debris on the surface of the mattress. Use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum or a powerful handheld vacuum. Make sure the nozzle is clean, as you do not want to transfer any debris onto the mattress. Vacuum the crevices, seams, and folds in the mattress to remove any surface dirt or dust. Make sure you also vacuum the sides of the mattress, as dirt and dust can collect in this area as well. 3. Open the box of baking soda and add 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Close the box and give it a good shake to distribute the essential oil and break up any large clumps. Lavender, chamomile and sandalwood are all soothing scents that would be wonderfully calming, and essential oils are naturally antibacterial. 4. Sprinkle the baking soda over the bed, using the entire box. Now it's time for a mattress massage. Rub the baking soda mixture into the bed, which really gives your mattress a deep cleaning. Let the baking soda and essential oil work its magic for at least an hour. 5. While you're waiting, wipe down the walls around your bed and the bed frame, creating a nice and clean sleeping area. After an hour, vacuum the mattress, working slowly to ensure all the baking soda has been removed. 6. Along with freshening your bed, the mixture helps lift dirt and residue while wicking away moisture, and giving your mattress a good vacuuming sucks away any lurking dust mites, which makes everyone's sleep easier. Make the bed, and you're ready for some serious slumber. And that's our video for today. So you find this tips helpful? If yes, why so? Share your comment and let us know. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get notified for the next video. See you.